Okay, so that's what I have for a TCI. Let's connect this real quick. This is the light blue wire for the neutral safety switch. Right here is the wire cluster for the kickstand. Okay, everything is plugged in the way it's supposed to be, or supposedly. So it's in neutral. Switch on, clean those. No clutch, nothing. Clutch, nothing. Neutral. Kickstand is down. Now it's strong, not in gear. Alright, now it's in gear. First gear. Kickstand down. Nothing. Kickstand up. That relay engages. No pressure. It's in gear though. Now, if I literally push this pedal down in the middle while it's cranking, it will start. Neutral with this in. Now I can go neutral, right off, and right. Either way, just stand up on both sections.